Castor oil's long history, used for over 4,000 years in Egyptian, Indian, and Chinese medicine, originally toxic in raw form, but refined into a highly healing oil. Buy the right type. Use organic, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil in a dark bottle to avoid impurities and oxidation. Unique compound, contains ricinoleic acid, a rare fatty acid not found in other plants, key to its hydrating, anti-inflammatory, and spot-reducing effects. Deep skin penetration. Penetrates all 3 layers of the skin, helping to treat wrinkles, lumps, skin tags, and warts, especially when combined with iodine and garlic. Boosts hair and lash growth. Thickens eyelashes, eyebrows, and scalp hair, especially with Jamaican black castor oil, and treats dandruff due to its antimicrobial properties. Powerful immune support. Increases immune response within 2 hours and can dissolve tartar on teeth. Also used in packs for deeper healing on liver, ovaries. Castor oil packs. Cloths soaked in castor oil applied to problem areas help treat cysts, fibrocystic breasts, liver congestion, and arthritis, often enhanced with DMSO or magnesium oil. Skin and sleep hack. For glowing skin, do an ice bath dip, then apply castor oil. Also great for muscle relaxation and deeper sleep when rubbed on shoulders or traps. Fasting combo. Combine castor oil treatments with a 48 to 72-hour fast to boost cellular renewal and detoxification, improving skin health significantly. Warnings in pregnancy. Avoid oral castor oil if pregnant unless it's time for labor. It can trigger contractions. Always use topically unless directed otherwise. Let me know if you'd like a version of this formatted for a carousel, voiceover script, or social media post. Cost-effective beauty. Compared to expensive beauty products, castor oil offers a budget-friendly alternative with holistic benefits that satisfy both skin and wallet. Nutrient-rich. Just like plants absorb nutrients through their roots, castor oil nourishes your skin, delivering essential vitamins and minerals for a revitalized look. Globally accessible. With increasing popularity, castor oil is available worldwide, ensuring everyone can experience its transformative effects. Community connection. Besides personal use, castor oil has found its place in community wellness programs, encouraging a collective shift towards holistic health and sustainability around the globe. Pet care beneficiary. Castor oil isn't just for humans. Pets, too, reap the benefits in their grooming and as a soothing agent, proving its versatility in all facets of life. Cross-industry impact. Different sectors, from healthcare to beauty parlors, are integrating castor oil into their services,